All right, here's a good question, a transformation type question. So they say they have this point, this point right there. Let's use a different color. And it's a point on the graph. Okay, so let me just draw a graph. And I have -1, +3. So a point right about there. And it's on a particular graph. And so let me just make up a graph. So it goes like this, whatever. It goes through that point, whatever. So it's got a graph. And then they say find a value b such that 4 and b is on the graph of this. So 4 something is on the graph of that. So you look at this function, and right there I've got, right here, I've got a c value. And the c value is the thing that moves things right or left. And since that's a -5, it's going to move to the right 5. So if it moves it to the right 5, if this is my original point right there, that thing would get moved 5 to the right. So it'd be point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there. And how far over is that? So it's 1, 2, that's over 4. So that point there would be 4 and something. So that's the only transformation that happened to the graph. So it didn't move up or down. It didn't get stretched one way or the other way or flipped. All that happened was it got moved to the right 5. So if it got moved to the right 5, so the new x value before, the y value would have to be the same because it didn't move it. It didn't go up or down. It just moved to the right. So whatever this y value is at the start, it follows that this y value would have to be the same. Okay, so the value of b, that thing right there, the y value for this new point has to be a +3. In other words, it didn't change from the original.